Okay, this video is about the downtown, or what I learned is the downtown. I understand there's like different variations, and maybe this is not like totally what everyone thinks of it, but whatever. It's a little footwork move that basically involves moving to the side, kind of shuffling, doing a little shuffle to the side, and crossing one foot in front of the other and then behind the other, and then switching the other, going the other way. So this is really useful for like a little dance move, but it's also useful for crossovers, because a lot of people, when they learn to cross over, they find it really awkward, or they only learn one way, or they only like to do it one way. So this helps us with crossovers and crossing behind both ways. So to start with, you have your feet hips width apart, your knees are bent a little bit, so your knees are soft. And it's usually a good idea before you do any kind of like footwork stuff to just practice bouncing in your knees. It helps if you have a beat to like kind of bounce to the beat, keeping it soft in your knees and hips, because if we start doing footwork and we're really stiff, we're gonna probably fall over and it's not fun. So keep that knee soft kind of feeling. And then we're gonna do like a little shuffle on my right foot first. So the right foot comes forward, left foot back to a little bouncy bounce, and then we're gonna do the right foot back, left foot forward, bouncy bounce, shuffle again. So it's like a scissor, right foot forward, left foot back, little bounce. And then you're gonna swing the left foot forward, crossing it over, step the right foot out, step the left foot behind, step the right foot out. You start the sequence to the left. So you start on your left leg, bringing left foot forward, right foot back, little scissor, like a little kind of little shuffle, bounce. Then the right foot forward, left foot back, little shuffle, bounce. Left foot forward, right foot back, little shuffle, bounce. And then you're gonna swing the right foot forward, step out on the left, right foot back, and out. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it from the back. So I might have to yell. So now, again, moving to the right first. Knees bent, kind of dropping the hips a little. Bring the right foot forward, left foot back to a little shuffle, push. And then left foot forward, right foot back, little shuffle, push. Right foot forward, left foot back, little push, shuffle. Swing the left foot forward, you're pulling on the wheels to cross in front of the right. Step out with the right, back with the left, out with the right, back to starting position. Now we start on the left leg. So do a little shuffle, bringing the left foot forward, right foot back, little kind of shuffle, bounce, scissor. Right foot forward, left foot back, little shuffle, bounce, scissor. Left foot forward, right foot back, little scissor, bounce. And then you're gonna pull the right foot across the left, step out with the left, right foot back, left foot out. So hopefully that gives you the idea of it, being able to see it from the front and from the back. But when you're doing it, you just want to gradually start from being really slow and going to a little quicker, like to the beat of music, especially like with a soul roll or kind of a R&B kind of 4/4 beat that's not too fast. Works really well for this kind of move. So when you're doing it to a little faster, it would kind of look a little bit like bouncy bounce, bouncy bounce, bouncy bounce, pull and step and out and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So you're kind of like doing the count. 4, and then you kind of just get in the rhythm of it. Remember, it's 1, 2, 3, pull. And Kevin's beatboxing. 1, 2, 3, and pull and out and back. So however you do it with human beatboxing or music, it's fun to do to music, like when you're just dancing around and stuff.
It is.
And it's also really good practice for crossing your feet and moving laterally. It kind of feels good on your hips too. So if you like this kind of thing, please let us know. Or if you have comments, please comment below and like and subscribe. Thanks.